Hello friends. So the first prompt of our mindful art journaling program is immerse yourself in the silence of sky. So what we wish you to do today is to gaze into the vastness of the sky. Immerse yourself in the beauty of the sky and forget yourself for some time. See how vast it is. Expand your horizons. Cherish that clean air. Enjoy looking up. Yes, enjoy that every moment you will spend with the sky. Look at the clouds moving as your thoughts are moving in your mind. See them settling down. Spend some time with yourself, looking at the sky. Observe the colors, observe the movements. Take your notepad with you, take your journal with you, a pencil, a crayon. If you wish to write something, you can write. If you want to draw something, draw. Just express your feeling. Whatever comes to you. It is amazing how vast the sky is. And when we gaze at the sky also gazes at us. And it develops a different kind of harmony. It is very powerful. It is a very powerful exercise. Help your children. Might be, ask them to just lie down on the grass and observe. You can look outside your window. If you don't have any space to go nearby, walk around. If you have a park, just go out in the open and look at the sky. At the different parts of the day you can go and look into that and enjoy the beauty of it. So I look forward to see your expressions. You can share them on the Facebook group, or you can share them on the WhatsApp group. Yes, you can. Either way, whatever feels comfortable to you, you can do that.